They laughed at your accent, mocked your pronunciation, told you so many times, say it again. Not because they were trying to understand you, but because they wanted to feel superior, because your voice reminded them that they're not the center of the world, and that intimidated them. But what they did not realize is that your accent carries your history. It holds your culture, your grandmother's prayers, your mother's resilience, the sound of your homeland, the rhythm of survival and strength. Your voice is a map. Each word is touched by every place you fought to belong. Every moment you swallowed your voice just to fit in, but no more. You're not here to shrink. You're not here to blend in. You're not here to fix your voice just to be palatable. You're here to speak with authority, with identity, and with pride. Because the world doesn't need another copy. It needs you exactly as you are. Your accent is not a flaw. It's your fingerprint in sound. And baby, that's beautiful. You don't need to sound like them. You are never meant to blend in. Criolla con orgullo.